What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Duck and D Fields. And before we get into anything, man, make sure you like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. But hey, today we're getting into that D-Koy Bird in My Closet, the GBB20. Oh, it doesn't even say 2020, it just says 20. Maybe that's 2020. No, it's 2019. Yeah. Wait. No, it's 2020. Maybe I'm a little slow. One of you guys told me to go check this one out. So that's what we're here doing today, man. But hey, I've never heard D-Koy before, so this will be interesting. It'll be a nice little switch up. Anytime it's a new beatboxer, you know, I'm always interested in seeing what y'all gotta say about him, or shit, what anyone has to say about him, man. But hey, less talking, more watching, and like always, my hair looking crazy. But B-Box family, let's get into it.
Yo, what's up? This is D-Koy from Boston, Massachusetts, and this is my 2020 Grand
America.
Beatbox Battle
Boston,
Wildcard.
Massachusetts. He said 2020. Hold on.
And Beatbox Battle Wildcard.
Son of a bitch. Hold on.
2020 Grand Beatbox Battle Wildcard.
Look at that. 100,000 IQ right there. Okay. It's real life bird box. You know that bird box? You gotta tie that fucking some type of cloth around your eyes so you don't see whatever. If you haven't seen Bird Box, man, go check it out. It's a crazy ass movie, but this is what it just reminds me of it, just because of the birds and the symbolism and shit.
There's a ghost in my closet.
Hold on. Ooh. Go on. Hey. Again, I like how it's not like in a studio, you know. It looks like he's in his room or his office space, just straight up set up and started. Was like, all right, I'm about to just launch it right here, right now, man. I like that laid back ass approach. I like that. I like the authenticity of that. I feel like people are more comfortable just in that room and shit too, honestly. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it.
There's a bird in my closet.
The bird and the ghost in that closet? Ooh. That shit dumb. I like that. Ooh.
See you guys in Warsaw.
But I didn't know he's from U.S. shit. Boston, Massachusetts. It's on the East Coast, baby. East Coast time over here. But hey, man. Again, that was D-Koy, Bird in the Closet. In my closet. He got a ghost in that closet too, man. I'm getting a little scary, you know. It's gonna turn into a horror flick. But hey, man, let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. Look at that shit. Look at that. That's crazy. That's crazy. But hey, man, again, hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you guys are having a swell day. Hope you guys are doing whatever you want to do, man. Just be positive, be happy, take 2020 on head on, even though it's crazy out there and beyond, man. But hey, man, appreciate y'all. I love y'all, and I will see you guys later. Peace.